All right, hey, Josh here, Attica Lumber Company. Let's check this one out here. Remember this one, 50 by 120. In this video, I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do here. As far as we're building two different rooms on the interior of this, and you can see early stages here. And then also, or actually two partitions and then two rooms. So we're gonna have a showroom, and then we're also gonna have a storage room, and then also a parts room. So that's the reason for that. But you can see right here, the ceiling right here, we gotta come back. You can see this is a finished, and this is on the 50 by 72 portion here. You see that liner panel that we installed there? We're gonna come back and blow in R25 cellulose insulation on that. But you can see right here, they poured the concrete smooth finish right here. And 4-inch. But you can see what our guys are getting set up here. You got a 2x6 sill. And then you're gonna see here in a moment here, the 2x4. But why a 2x6 sill plate right here on this section? He wants more insulation. That's why we're going 2x6. We're gonna 2x6 this portion of it. And this is actually gonna be the storage room of this. So he wants a little bit more insulation. Then if we walk over here, you can see how they got this laid out here. There's gonna be a partition. Gonna be a partition right there. You can see they got that laid out. 2x4. You can see how we're running that 2x4. Then you see we got the rooms marked out right over here. So we got the rooms marked out right there. All right, so 2 rooms. We got that set up there. And then in between here, you know, it's gonna be a showroom. He runs a small engine repair shop, and then he sells, obviously, but this is gonna be a showroom right up here when they walk right in. So, kind of gives you an idea what we're doing here. Again, a 50 by 120. Again, that section 50 by 48, then also a 50 by 72. But, so we'll come back, we'll update you on the progress, but just want to kind of give you the setup here. So look at that concrete here, nice little approach pad on that. But if you look at the building right there, if you remember this one, all right. That section right there, again, 50 by 48. Let me go from a sideways angle here. That way you can see it here. Installed the gutter. So, see that. So 50 by 48 and a step down. You can see that step down. And then the 50 by 72 portion there. So kind of give you an idea of what we're getting ready here to get done here. But like the video, boom, thumbs up, and then I'll keep you updated on the progress as we continue. For more information, atticalumber.com. Attica Lumber since 1925.